We are at Kalbarri National Park. We are going for a lovely walk to Z Bend. Are you excited, Brett?
No, because it's raining. But anyway, at least we got out yesterday and had a bit of a look around. But yeah, today it's been pouring this morning and it looks like it's just easing now. So we're going to get a bit damp, I think.
A little bit, I think so.
Well, here's the Z Bend lookout on this drizzly, rainy day, but it is quite amazing. I know this video is not going to do it any justice, but here it is anyway.
Okay, this totally worked in the wet pool. Look at that. We've been to the Z Bend lookout. So now we're going to do the 2K return trip down the river, which apparently is quite strenuous. Let's see how we go.
It's a big jump. It's nearly a metre. This is pretty cool.
That is our walking path down here.
Kirsty the Explorer. Well, this is quite an amazing little walk we're doing this morning, and I'm really glad it's raining because this water running looks amazing.
We're wet, we made it halfway. I think we need to find somewhere dry to have the snack.
Yeah, I don't think there's any water dry at the moment. Maybe a little cave up that hill. But yeah, it's been a pretty impressive walk.
And now we're going to go
Scenery's amazing.
on the way back.
But we might go and have a look down the river trail a little bit.
We stopped for a snack in a cave to be dry for a minute. Going up is less scary, but it's harder on the body.
Well, we've made it down the Kalbarri River walk, and so glad we come down here. Even though it is raining, it is amazing with the flowing water coming into this ravine. And the rock scramble down there was unbelievable. Every time we turned a corner, it was just like, wow.
So that was fun. The last 500 meters poured with rain, so we are definitely drenched. It was a lot quicker on the way back up, but I don't know, I'm really glad we did it, and the rain added to the adventure of it, I guess. I think we left just in time. We've arrived back at camp and it is beautiful and sunny.